All right, we're recording, we're live. Whew. What is up, everyone? Welcome back again to another video. In today's video, I am going to be talking about the DJI Mic Mini 2. This was not sent to me, nor is this sponsored, but I just like the company, man. DJI is one of my favorite companies. I think DJI is the face of content creation. Like, you have everything. They make everything from action cameras. They make everything from the Osmo Pocket, which I am recording right now. And it's just, they make this mic that I'm using. I am currently using the DJI Mic 2, the original one, not the Mic Mini. And the reason why I got the Mic Mini was because I realized DJI Mic 2, I could have gotten the charging kit and an extra DJI mic. It would have been pretty cool, but I realized that, you know, might as well get something new. Might as well try something new. I mean, if DJI wants to sponsor. Anyways, what I'm trying to say is I don't have the need of another DJI mic. If I were to choose between a DJI Mic 2 and a DJI Mic Mini, if this does sound good, I would probably stick with the Mini, because the DJI Mic 2, it has 32-bit audio, and at the end of the day, all I need to do is record separately onto this device, sync it up in post, and I don't really need a receiver, you know? But the DJI Mic 2 Mini, the good thing about that is it's smaller, so it's probably going to be better for me if I'm doing, especially those like gym vlogs, you know, like you don't want to have something stand out. You don't want to have something that's like there, you know, you want to be discreet. You want to be like in and out, zoom fast like that, which is one good thing about the DJI Pocket 3. You don't have to stand out with a whole gimbal and like a whole like A7 M4 whole mirrorless setup. You just have to have this tiny thing in your hand and you're good to go, you know? But if you guys can get your hands on the DJI Osmo Action 5, that is even better. I feel like, you know, if you're at the gym, sometimes even the Osmo, just like the Osmo Pocket, might be a little too big. But enough of yapping, let's get straight into the unboxing. Let's see what is in this box. I ordered this from Coupang. If you guys don't know what Coupang is the Amazon of Korea. So without further ado, let's get straight into the unboxing. DJI Mic Mini. Nothing in the box. This is what you get, a DJI Mic Mini. I was trying to get just the one combo one without the charger, but if you were to do that, then you have to pay like an extra $70 for the charger. So if you were to get it in one, you're pretty much saving $70. Because if you're just a solo content creator, I don't think you really need two. I think going with the singular one is good enough. But if you're a little bit more professional or you need two microphones, I would say just go for this. It costs about $80 more, but with that $80, you pretty much get a free charging case. If you were to get a separate receiver later on, it's only gonna cost you like $70, I think, but you won't have the charging case. That's why I decided to just go for it. I mean, this is still going to be cheaper than getting the original DJI Mic 2. So let's get straight into unboxing. Box a little too much. The DJI smell, man. That toxic chemical smell. So you get it in like a little plastic pouch here. I like the packaging. So far, so good. Damn, they give you a separate like case as well, a pouch case, not just the charging case. You get two windscreens. You get a charging cable, USB-C to USB-C, as well as an aux cable. So if you want to hook it up to anything that's compatible with the aux cable, you guys could use it. And now for the actual product. The case is pretty big. Wow, that is pretty big. Hey. I removed it, just place it back there, press to unlock. Oh, smell of new products, man, new electronics. Oh wow, they give you the USB-C dongle for your phone straight away. That's pretty nice. And from what I'm guessing, there's one more here. I think that's for Apple users. That's the mic receiver. Everything is like magnetic. Magnetic. Okay, that is fucking small. If you guys want like a comparison, This is a DJI Mic 2. This is the DJI Mic Mini. It's half the size. Half the size, half the thickness. Wow. That is fucking awesome. And it does have the magnet included for you guys that need it. The DJI Mic Mini does not support like a separate 3.5 millimeter. If you guys need that, then you guys should just go for the DJI Mic 2. And if you have the DJI Osmo Pocket, you can directly connect this to the DJI Osmo Pocket without the need of this receiver. So that's really good. And that's the same case as the DJI Mic 2. That is it for the unboxing. You guys get a sticker as well. And let's get straight into the testing of the mic. This is so stupid. This is so stupid that I have to do this, man. Just for fucking views. Yeah. Yep. Yep. It is working. This is, I would say, where you would usually be like the furthest from the camera, because if you go like further than this, unless you're doing like a National Geographic content, I think this is like good enough in terms of like the range. How are ducks not cold? They're in the water. How are you not cold? 야마! 야마! 왜 안 추워? All right, so that was a little bit of a clipping test. I don't know how you guys, I don't know how it sounds. I need to hear it from post, but I legit screamed the fuck out of my lungs. All right, so now, like, we're at the point where it's so far that the only reason why you would be doing this is because you're trying to do some kind of illegal shit where you don't want to get caught by a camera, like those hidden camera type shit. But again, this is how I sound like. You know what would be funny? Hold up. Okay, you know what I realized? So I'm sitting here, right? The camera is all the way over there. Like, imagine all the things I'm speaking right now, microphone cut out, because this is the first time I'm testing the range. That would be pretty sad. Borba! Again, another clipping test. We'll see in post if this even gets recorded. Ooh, it's cold, it's cold, it's cold. All right, the microphone is still connected here. That's good. 야! 아니 진짜 DJI한테 스폰서 받아야 된다고 나. 짜증나게. Nah, but on a real note, I will make it until I get sponsored by DJI, bro.